Hello aspirants. In this model we are going to discuss representation sheets, an important criteria when you register your design. What is the representation sheet? Representation means the exact representation of the article for which registration is sought. A representation may contain more than one page. The representation need to be prepared diligently and shall be filed along with the application. How many copies of the representation need to be filed? 4 copies. 4 copies of the representation shall be filed along with the application. However, as the records are digitized and processed electronically, then 2 copies are sufficient for filing an application. Representation shall be exactly similar drawings, photographs, tracings, including computer graphics or specimens of the design. The controller sometimes may require a specimen of the article to be submitted at the time of examination in rare cases. Photographs should be pasted on the representation sheets with the help of adhesive and not by other means like stapler, pin and sellotape. While using photographs in representation sheets, one of the copies of representation sheet shall not be covered by cellophane or tracing paper so as to enable digitization. Representation shall be prepared on white A4 size paper of durable quality, but not on cardboard and only on one side of the paper. The figures shall be placed in an upright position on the sheet. Each figure shall be designated clearly: the perspective view, front view, and side view. If design is to be applied to a set, a representation shall depict various arrangements in which the design is to be applied to articles in the set. Where an application is for a design as applied to a set, whether the given articles constitute a set or not shall be determined by the controller. In case name or representation of living persons appear on a design, consent of such persons may be submitted along with the application. In case of a deceased person, the consent of a legal representative may be submitted. It may be noted that non-submission of such consent may result in office objections and resultant delay in registration. In case the representation contains the image or name of an imaginary person, such fact may be mentioned in the declaration on the representation sheet. A statement of novelty and disclaimer in respect of mechanical action, trademark, word, letter, numerals should be endorsed on each representation sheet. Representation which consists of a repeating surface pattern shall show the complete pattern and a sufficient portion of the repeating pattern in length and width and shall not be less than 15 cm by 10 cm in size. The name of applicant shall be mentioned in left-hand top corner of the representation sheet. Total number of sheets and sheet number shall be mentioned in the right-hand top corner of the representation sheet in Arabic numerals. The representation sheet shall be signed and dated by the applicant or agent. No descriptive matter or matter denoting the components by reference letters numerals shall be included. No sectional view shall be incorporated in the representation sheet. Dimensions or engineering symbols, etc. shall not be used in the representation sheet. The representation is not to be regarded as engineering drawing of the article. The relevant parameter is the shape and not the size of the article. Where trademarks, words, letters or numerals are not the essence of the design, they shall be removed from the representations or specimens. Where they are essence of a design, a disclaimer need to be given in the representation sheet disclaiming any right to their exclusive use. No extraneous matter or background shall appear in the representation sheet. A background is considered neutral as long as the design is clearly visible in it. When color combination is the essence of the design as applied to an article, the same shall be clearly depicted in the representation. Form 24 in the prescribed format. If small entity status is claimed, as in Schedule 2, it should be accompanied with evidence of registration under MSME Act 2006 in case of Indian entities. It should be accompanied with the affidavit deposed by the applicant or authorized signatory as Rule 42 of Design Rules in case of foreign entities. Original priority document under Rule 15 of the Design Rules. Authenticated English translated copy of the priority document. If original priority document is other than English, we need to submit with the representation sheet. Assignment in original. If the applicant of priority application in convention country is different from the Indian applicant, then the assignment in original need to be filed with representation sheet. The applicants may refer to the following web links for further detailed information in respect of filings and preparation of representation sheets. The present slide shows the specimen of representation sheet. So this kind of representation sheet need to be filed with the application for registering design. Right top corner of representation sheet contains the details of total number of sheets and the sheet number, present sheet number. Left top corner of the representation sheets has the details of name of the applicant. The photograph shows the design of an article for which we are seeking a legal protection under Design Act. This is the top view. And right corner bottom portion shows the signature of the applicant or agent. Name of the signatory should be mentioned. And left bottom corner shows the date on which the representation sheet is going to be filed. The present slide shows another specimen of representation sheet. Front view, perspective view, top view and bottom view. There are 4 important views of an article is given in the representation sheet for which we are seeking a legal protection under Design Act. Third schedule of Design Act lists out various classes. The present slide shows from class number 1 to class 5. Before filing an application for registration of design, we need to find under which class our designs are coming. So those class number details should be given in the application. The present slide shows from class number 6 to class number 10. The present slide shows the classes of designs from class number 11 to class number 15. The present slide shows the classes of designs from class number 16 to class number 20. Class number 21 to class number 25. From class number 26 to class number 30. Class number 31 and class number 99. So aspirants, till now we have discussed about the IPR classification type design. What are designs? How we can register design? What is the registration procedure? What is a representation sheet? What are the requirements of representation sheet? How to register a design? So this many information, definitely I hope it will be helpful for you when you register your design. Thank you so much. Wish you good luck.